When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoyed this fantastic review. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide a first-class experience. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. Simply contact the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.